morning everyone, it's Rachel here and I am doing an Etsy share or Etsy update I should say. Stef's been working on 2 new French Chateau kits and I am super excited about them as usual. He's done a fabulous job. So we have journal page kits, 2 journal page kits and 2 ephemera kits. So this is kit 3. There are 8 journal pages and they are really gorgeous. And they do coordinate with the other kit, the other 2 kits that we have as well. So, and they can mix in with any of our other kits because it's always the similar style that we like. So I'm just showing you the journal pages for kit 3. I just love them. And really gorgeous kits. And of course they've got elements that you can use individually as well if you want to use them for collage. And this one and then that one there, I love it. And then the ephemera kits have 3 envelopes. So I've got them out of order. Let me just get the envelopes. So 3 envelopes each, and they intercoordinate as well. So that's one. Oh, isn't that gorgeous? That's the other one. And then this one. And then I've got also in the ephemera kit 3 pages of tags. So, or 2 pages, no, 3 pages of tags there. That one. And they're the bigger tags, I love those. There, and then also 2 pages of sort of collagey pages like I did with the previous kits that can be used, well, they'd be lovely in a document journal, but they can also be used if you want to use their little bits. That one's printed out multiple times because I had a few issues with the border, but I've got it right now. So there's those 2 in this kit, and then so I think that's 8 pages again, that ephemera kit. So that's kit 3. Just put those back so I don't need to know that anymore. And then kit 4 is this one. So again, 8 journaling pages. It's just because, you know, he was very inspired, so then he did 2, and then we divided. So he you know, he got up to something like 13 pages. I'm like, well, do 3 more because we can have 2 because they are beautiful. Look at that. Look at the colors. So pretty. He was feeling obviously inspired. That one, and that one I think is the last one. And then with the ephemera again, we've got the tags. There, as I said, they sort of coordinate. And then the envelopes, just gorgeous. And a print on the reverse side of these and cut them out. Oh my gosh, isn't that pretty? There. And then I've done, oh, love it, 2, I hadn't looked at these for a minute, the 2 pages as well, the 2 that could also go into a document journal. So there we go. So those are the new kits. I'm also attaching a video of a journal that I made that has gone off. It's not available. I used some of the journal pages. I didn't have the ephemera done at the time when I did it, but I did have the journal pages, so you can, I just do it. I don't think I flicked through all of it, but just a little quick look at what it looks like in a journal. So I hope everyone has a wonderful day. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you again soon. Bye. So this is a sneak peek of a journal that I made with the new kits. I'll show just a few pages. I haven't added any of the ephemera in yet because I haven't completed the ephemera. So it has other ephemera in it, just to give you an idea of what the kits look like. But I mixed it in with some of my older kits, botanical ones, because they all work well together. So I was able to mix it in. So I just flip her through a few pages just so you can see. Mix them in with the book pages, all kinds of stuff in here. It's a real mixed bag. I mixed it with my old French Chateau kits, some of Tina's from Shabby Dabby Doodah. They worked well. Yeah, so I hope you like the kits, and Stef's worked really hard on those, and I absolutely love them. And thank you so much, and I will see you again soon. Bye.